Morning.
Good morning.
Interesting, isn't it?
Very.
This chap I know showed up the other day and brought the creature in a fish cast. He said he'd find it near some big lake up north.
Has anyone inspected it?
Nope.
Unbelievable. What's the price?
Well, let's just say this isn't your average pet.
How much? You grew. We'll need to find you a new fish tank, buddy.
Interesting, isn't it?
Very.